Assalamu alaikum friends. Hope you are all doing well. Friends, if you live in Pakistan, then you must know about the current hot top trend, which is none other than a Turkish drama series, Ertugrul Ghazi. And guys, if you have not heard about this drama before, then you don't have to work much. Just click on any social media app and scroll for a couple of minutes, and you'll realize what's actually Ertugrul doing to Pakistani community. So guys, let's talk about the main character of the drama series and the limelight of Pakistani woman Halima Sultan. Guys, Halima Sultan is the wife of Ertugrul Ghazi, and the fantastic role is done by everyone's favorite nowadays, Esra Bilic. The gorgeous actress was born on 14th of October in 1992 and is a Turkish actress and model. She started working in Ertugrul as Halima Sultan in 2014, however left the series in 2018 due to the changes in the character, so the character had to be shown dead in the drama series. She is currently working as the female lead in the Turkish crime drama TV series Ramo. Guys, the actress started dating a professional Turkish footballer Gökhan Töre in 2014. The couple got married on 21st October 2017 and unfortunately divorced on 17th June 2019. The actress has also got 5 awards for the Best Female Actress for drama series Ertugrul. So guys, this is the life of Halima Sultan as Esra Bilic. So friends, now let's talk about the main character of the drama series, which is Ertugrul Ghazi. Friends, this mesmerizing role is played by Engin Altan Duzyatan. Guys, this actor Engin Altan Duzyatan was born on 26th of July 1979. He is a Turkish resident as he was born in Turkey and is currently 40 years old. He started working in 1997 and was married to Neslisha Al-Koshler in 2014. The actor also has 2 children, a girl and a boy. Pretty complete family. And this actor has worked in a lot of other projects, including dramas and movies, but is best known for his role as Ertugrul. The actor has made appearance in 28 dramas and 17 movies. He is also featured in 2020 the Muslim 500 publication as one of the most influential Muslim. And this is the life of Ertugrul Ghazi as Engin Altan Duzyatan. So guys, if you haven't liked the video till now, just go and like it, share it, and do subscribe our channel. And please don't forget to press the bell icon.